How to transfer ISA to Moneybox. Open the Moneybox app and log in using your password, Face ID, or Touch ID. On the home screen, go to the Settings or Accounts section and tap on Transfer an ISA. This is where you'll start the transfer process. Moneybox supports cash ISA, stocks and shares ISA, and lifetime ISA transfers. Select the type of ISA you're moving over. Make sure your current ISA is eligible for transfer. Check with your existing provider first if you're unsure. Next, Moneybox will ask for details like the name of your current ISA provider, your account number, the type of ISA you're transferring. Fill in these details carefully, as this ensures a smooth and secure transfer. Once everything is filled out, review the transfer request and confirm. Moneybox will then contact your current provider and move the funds for you. You don't need to do anything else. Transfers can take up to 15 working days, depending on your provider. Thanks for watching.